Thank you. Holy crap. 1 second, guys. There's quite literally so much powder. Do I not have a mod in here besides me? Yeah, I know I wanted powder, but I didn't expect you guys to want it all in. I've never done this many all in at once. Guys, all that, and I'm still gonna have to get more cans. I don't have any more cans. I'm not mad. Are you talking about me? If I was mad, y'all would know. I would just end the live. I'm having a hard time breathing, okay? I am thrilled. Even though I'm struggling to breathe a little bit. Well, I am kind of mad that I'm not adding any more liquids. I'm trying to get this back to... I'm gonna need to get some more cans. Oh my goodness. My hands literally feel like they're 20 pounds. You guys see this? Will Effer be concerned about what? Oh no, I'm flashing y'all my boobies. Everyone who saw that, send me $1. I ain't free. Okay, just give me 1 second. I might get sick from this. But it was worth it. I have masks. They're just, they're in my husband's car at work. I am sitting down. Guys, I promise I'm okay. I'm also just fat. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm fat and I'm working on it. I am gonna have to switch out my gloves though. If you fall over, I'm leaving. It's okay though, because I'm already married, so I don't have to worry about it. Okay. Thank you for those 16 of you who followed me. Thank you guys for the new follows. Thank you, Erin, for sending for all my cans I had left. Sorry for my big back breathing. Thank you. It's like a lotion. Just hand mixing as much of it in as I can. And that's it. I don't have any more powder to go in. And I don't want to add any more liquids. And I have to start getting, honestly, I'm going to have to shower before my party I'm going to tonight. So I should probably hop off. Thank you. Okay, guys. I'm gonna have to go now. Thank you all for joining and for watching and for sending. I appreciate you all. I will be posting on my story about when I'll get cans again. But probably tomorrow night I'll go live.